What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin Bees. I'm a wife, a mom, a military veteran, and I spent 13 and a half years in multi-level marketing. I've healed my way out of it. And now I am using all of my platforms on social media to help educate and raise awareness around the dangers of MLMs. And to be very honest with you guys, I've been staring at the record button for a minute because I really have no words when it comes to today's video. So we're gonna dive on in. We're gonna dive on in. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, if you'd like to listen to the podcast, if you'd like to grab some Blocked merch, or some Judas merch or Empire merch, go ahead and click on the link in the video description and check it out. This video, I'd like to give a special shout out to my member D, because we get, as content creators, we're just going to talk about this real quick. As content creators, we get very overwhelmed with the amount of information that is coming in and what videos we should do, what we want to cover. And it's a lot. There's a lot of spinning plates, if you will. And so D had this really cool suggestion to look at businessforhome.org, which is a multi-level marketing website that talks about the top distributors. There's been certain individuals that are leaders within companies that have been listed on here and where they stand on the list and those types of things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, D said, hey, you should check out this website. And I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. And so I found myself on the website and I was like, let's look at number one. Let's look at, according to businessforhome.org, which my source is going to be listed in the video description, so you can check it out for yourself, is somebody named Igor Alberts. And so I did what any of us would do, and I went immediately to Instagram because I wanted to see some things. And let's just watch it together. We're just going to watch it together. Okay. So again, do not send this person any hate. He's a public figure. Do not send any hate. Drop your commentary. This is probably going to be a shorter video, but I want to start talking about some of the things and some of the people and the companies that people are not really kind of talking about. And this is somebody that I have seen myself on Eric Worre's stage. And I've often wondered, like, what is the backstory? So maybe we'll dive into a little bit of that, like a mini dive, but not necessarily a deep dive. So let's watch the video. And don't forget to drop your commentary. Okay, thanks.
When preparation meets opportunity, magic happens. When the student is ready, the teacher or the mentor appears. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in the House of Dreams. Welcome in my magic gardens. This is where magic happens. This is where you can become the one destined to be by unlocking your unlimited potential. And I'm here waiting for you. I'm actually waiting so that I can lead you, so that I can inform you, so that I can motivate and inspire you, so that you are able to unlock that potential, that you can find the missing pieces of your puzzle. I'm ready for you. The only thing you have to do is follow me on social media and you will see and experience what dreams may come while you and I are creating together success for all. I love you. I'm waiting for you. I am there. It's just a matter if you are able to find the way to me. Mwah.
Clearly that was a recruiting video, I think. I feel like we need to watch it again. Let's watch that again. Let's go back.
When preparation meets opportunity, magic happens. When the student is ready, the teacher or the mentor appears. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in the House of Dreams. Welcome in my magic gardens. This is where magic happens. This is where you can become the one destined to be by unlocking your unlimited potential. And I'm here waiting.
Okay. I feel like he has said every motivational quote that we hear from some of these multi-level marketing leaders. When the teacher is, or when the student is ready, the teacher appears. Welcome to the House of Dreams. Unlocking your potential. We've not talked about the company. This is a beautiful house. It's the greenery, if you will, is gorgeous in the background. But this is like a weird flex to me. Like, look at my house. Look at what I have. We're going to talk about why I think he has some of these things, but let's continue.
For you, I'm actually waiting so that I can lead you, so that I can inform you, so that I can motivate and inspire you, so that you are able to unlock that potential, that you can find the missing pieces of your puzzle. I'm ready for you. The only thing you have to do is follow me.
Is anybody alarmed at the amount of times that he is like doing this with his hands? Like he's salivating at a piece of steak is what this feels like, in my opinion. That feels very uncomfortable to me. Do you guys feel that too? Let me know. Just let me know how you guys are doing. This feels very uncomfortable to me. So he's saying, I am going to lead you, I'm going to inspire you and motivate you. But here's the thing. A lot of these people in multi-level marketing companies say that it's their own business. Well, if you're a true small business owner, it's not really up to anybody else to inspire you, to lead you, to motivate you. Your goals in your small business are your goals, and those are the things that motivate you. This feels really odd to me. And then he's making these claims like, oh, I'm going to help you figure out that missing piece of the puzzle. Sir, what? What are you talking about? Let's continue, because I think there's just a couple more seconds, but oh, this makes me really uncomfortable.
On social media, and you will see and experience what dreams may come while you and I are creating together success for all. I love you. I'm waiting for you. I am there.
Wait. So all we have to do is follow him on social media and we will learn what dreams are made of. I'm confused. This clearly is a recruiting video. He clearly is wanting you to join his team. He clearly is trying to posture himself to be this leader, this guru, this I can show you how to have all of this. I don't like this. This is somebody, and we're going to talk about what Business for Home says that he makes a month and what's estimated, what they estimate. This feels very uncomfortable. This feels very, I don't know how else to explain that. It just feels this is very uncomfortable.
It's just a matter if you are able to find the way to me. Mwah!
I don't like that. Recruiting video, for sure. But have you guys noticed that a lot of these companies do, or these leaders in these companies, don't mention the name of the company? They just kind of throw out quotes and motivational things. And I'm saying this because I used to do it too. I mean, I would typically at that time be in like a Prove It shirt, but they don't mention the name. They flash their money or their vacations or what they're buying or just different things, different events, which we're actually going to watch another video because I just kind of went down the rabbit hole, watched a couple videos, and yeah, it's a little cringy in my opinion. And again, do not send this person any hate. That's not what we do here. This is just purely for curiosity and educational purposes because I wanted to go down through this list and see what these people were about. So I have one more video that we're going to watch. This looks like it was from an event, and I'm assuming that it's him and his wife. I wish I could play the music for you, but I'm not. I think it's probably copyrighted, so I'm not going to do that. But picture like some kind of beautiful opera type music, and that's what this is. Now they're probably having fun. I think that's super cute, but this is very cringy. However, in my opinion, however, when you look at this, this is where I got my first clue of what company he was a part of from his Instagram. And it's a company called Success Factory. Okay, Success Factory, if you do a Google search, is a company that has been predominantly overseas, but they actually just launched in the States here this month, March 2022. So that's pretty interesting. And it looks like they just had an event in Dubai. And I would share with you guys the income disclosure statement, but there's not one. It appears to be some sort of a crypto type company. But let's talk about Igor really quickly. So according to Business for Home, Igor is estimated to make 1.8 million in a single month, 1.8 million. Estimated annual income is $21.6 million, and he is listed as being with the company called Success Factory. Now, what's interesting about Igor is that, and it's just like we see, so those of us that are really trying to educate about MLMs and the dangers and raise awareness, we see people that either get into the company that are successful. We see people that got into the company fast, like as soon as it launched, like they got in at the beginning stages of it, and or they had a lot of social media followers, subscribers, those types of things, right? This is somebody that has been in multi-level marketing for 30 plus years. I think 34 going on 35 years, allegedly, according to Business for Home. And he started with Amway, which I think is really fascinating. The other aspect that we see a lot of times is these people that go from company to company, they take their teams from previous companies. So the snowball effect, if you will, just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And I think that's what we're seeing here. He started in Amway, then he was in Organo Gold, which is a supplement company. I don't even know if they're still in business. I need to actually check that out. Then it was OneCoin, and now he's in Success Factory. And again, they just launched in the US March of 2022. So yay for us. Another one that we're probably going to see a lot of. I think this is really interesting because you, in my opinion, see a lot of kind of the younger crowd when it comes to multi-level marketing leaders and reels and different things like that. But I think that we also need to be addressing some of these people that have been in for many, many years, because they are also involved in all of this. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I found this really interesting. I found what I would expect. And what I would expect to see somebody that's been in the industry so long is, in my opinion, somebody that's kind of out of touch with what social media is and how it should be used. I also think that this is probably somebody that does a lot of like motivational stuff, but doesn't actually talk about the products, the services, those types of things, because he's been around for so long. I find that really interesting. And it's just like anything else. Like, when you think of any career, not that multi-level marketing is like any other career, but when you think of somebody that's been in the industry for a very long time, in my opinion, you're going to have sort of a disconnect with reality because they haven't been in the trenches for a long time. Do you know what I mean? So in my opinion, he's going to these events and he's putting up these posts and these videos and different things like that. He's like, yeah, I'll lead you to the dream. I'll lead you to the dream. but I don't think that he's necessarily the one that is doing a lot of like teaching and training. I think he's just the top of his pyramid. Do you know what I mean? So very interesting, in my opinion, very cringy. You guys let me know what you think. I know this was a little bit shorter of a video, but I really kind of want to start doing some different things than what I'm seeing. And these people that have been in for a long time, that are going from company to company to company to company, that are also going to these network marketing generic trainings that are being endorsed by Business for Home, and all of these things, I think they're really predatory. If you go to this website, it's they will list distributors that they are basically endorsing that are probably under Igor, which is really crazy to me. I don't know. It's just really crazy to me. So don't join an MLM, because according to the FTC, over 99% of people lose money or don't make any at all. And you're far too valuable, just like Chelsea says all the time. You're far too valuable to join an MLM. Start your own small business. And if you have somebody that is in your inbox and is trying to get you to join, do your research. Go to YouTube, click the company, click anti-MLM, or type in the company, type in anti-MLM, and try to get all of the information. Don't just take their word for it. They're going to tell you what they want you to know. They're going to tell you all of the good things. Oh my God, the community and the systems and the products and the events, and it's so fun. And, we're winning over here. And like all of these kind of buzzwords that a lot of these MLM people use, that I used to use as well. So it's really important that you just do your research. Ask for a profit and loss statement. They're going to look, they're probably going to be like, yeah, no, I don't know what that is. Ask for an income disclosure statement. Look at YouTube, listen to some podcasts, just do some research. And should you choose to join an MLM, cool. But I think that there needs to be some awareness around all of the information, not just what they say, but also let's look at the income disclosure statement. Let's look at, what the FTC says. And once you have the full picture, if you're fine with not making any money or losing money, okay. But again, I don't think anybody should be joining an MLM. So more videos to come like this. I think I might spend some time in these, I don't know, the top 5 or whatever from this website. Really crazy. And let me know what you thought. If you have not already, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, friends.